Welcome back to Rye Preserve. Today, we will be exploring the Cemetary Trail. The Cemetary Trail is in the northeast corner of the preserve. Parking for this trail is by the yellow trailhead. Please note that during the rainy season, the beginning of the trail can flood. The water, to me, is just all part of a soggy adventure. Wander along the fence line and you will discover an intricate world, a battle of plant life. In the preserve, we have both native and invasive plants. Native plants are plants originally from here, and invasives are plants from another location that find the soil, sun, and moisture levels to be ideal growing habitat. With no natural predators, the invasive plants thrive and take over the area, choking out the native plants. Two invasives we have along the cemetery trail are Caesar weed and air potato. While volunteers regularly pull the invasive plants, we have one other tactic to rid the preserve of air potatoes. Do you see how the leaves look holy, almost as if something is munching on them? Why, the air potato leaf beetle flies from air potato patch to air potato patch, making the leaves lacy by munching on them. No fear of this bug becoming a pest in Florida. It is integrated into the food chain and is eaten by lizards and birds. Cool off in one of our low-lying spring-fed creeks. This creek will eventually flow into the Manatee River that will eventually flow into the Gulf of Mexico. Further down the trail, the canopy opens into the Rye Cemetary. The cemetery is the last remnant of the once thriving town of Rye. From 1854 to 1930, 15 people were laid to rest in the cemetery. Take the time to look at the headstones, and you might spot Erasmus Rye, the founder of the town of Rye. To this day, people still leave shells on headstones to honor those who are resting there. Rye's recent rain produced a crop of marvelous mushrooms emerging from the dead logs and leaf litter. See, fungus breaks down all the dying and decaying matter. Mushrooms are the fruiting body of a fungus that sends much of its life underground. Mushrooms come in all sorts of shapes and sizes, from the classic toadstool to the shelf mushroom. Fungus is found inside our lichen. As we discussed in the last video, lichen are made up of both fungus and algae. So, lichen, actually in this one, lichen attaches itself not just to tree barks, but to the pine cones as well. That is truly wild. Thank you for joining us on today's Wonder Walk. Hope to see you soon on our next adventure.